In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Canva designs to your marketing emails in HubSpot. We'll keep this simple and clear. First, we'll get your design ready in Canva and download it in the right format. Then, we'll head into HubSpot, open your email draft, and place the image using an image module. By the end, your polished Canva design will appear right inside your marketing email. Start in Canva by opening the design you want to use. Give it a quick polish. Check spacing, make sure text is easy to read, and confirm it looks good against a light or dark background, depending on your email. Email layouts are typically around 600 pixels wide, so keep that in mind as you review. When you're happy, go to the top right, click Share, and choose Download. Pick the file type that fits your content. PNG is great for crisp graphics and logos, while JPG can keep file sizes smaller for photos. Under the download options, configure any available settings to balance quality and size. Lighter files load faster in inboxes and help avoid clipping. If you use transparency, stick with PNG. Once everything looks good, click download and wait for the file to save to your computer. Next, move over to your HubSpot account. On the left panel, find the marketing section and select email. From your email list, choose the draft where you want to place the Canva design. This ensures you're editing the right email without affecting any live sends. Inside the email editor, look for an existing image module. If you already have one in the layout, select it. If not, click the plus icon on the left panel to add a module and choose the image module. When you select the image module in your layout, its properties panel opens on the left. Click Upload and your computer's file browser will appear. Locate the Canva file you just downloaded, select it, and confirm. Give it a moment to upload. Once the upload completes and the preview refreshes, you'll see your Canva design placed directly in your HubSpot marketing email. That's all there is to it. You prepared your design in Canva, downloaded it in the right format, navigated to your HubSpot email, and used an image module to upload and display the design. With this workflow, you can keep your emails visually consistent and on brand, while taking advantage of Canva's design tools and HubSpot's drag and drop editing. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating emails that look as good as they perform.